How to delete Hamster Kombat account permanently. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Hamster Kombat account permanently. To delete your Hamster Kombat account permanently, first of all, you need to open Hamster Kombat app or website and log in with your credentials. Or you may also use Telegram account to delete your Hamster Kombat account. For that, first of all, you need to open your Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here tap on this Hamster Kombat bot to open it. If you didn't find this, you may also tap on the search icon at the top right, and then in the search bar, you can search for Hamster Kombat. And once you find it, tap on it to open it. And once you open it, at the bottom you will find 3 different options. Here you need to tap on this play in one click option. Tap on this. Now you will access your Hamster Kombat account. Wait till the page loads. And once it loads, you will land on this home page. Here you will find gear icon at the top. Tap on this gear icon, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. In this settings page, you will find delete account button. You need to tap on this button, and once you do so, at the bottom you will find the pop-up window. Here you will be asked if you are sure to delete your Hamster Kombat account, because once you delete it, all your data including game progress, achievements and purchases will be permanently deleted, and this cannot be undone. If you are okay with that, then tap on this delete account button to confirm the deletion. After that, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Once again, you need to tap on this delete account to proceed further. After doing that, you will return to the previous chat page and you can see you have successfully deleted Hamster Kombat account. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Hamster Kombat account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.